a controlled ray of light that changed the world. This investigation opened the door to creating new technology. This idea is the building block to allow 100 years of dreams to become a reality. A proud nation supports the world's need for lasers. In 1996, Han's Laser was proudly established in Shenzhen. Han's Laser went public on Shenzhen Stock Exchange in 2004 with stock code of 002008. We are committed to research and development, production and sales of intelligent manufacturing equipment and many advanced key components. Han's Laser is the world's leading overall solution provider of intelligent manufacturing equipment. Han's Laser produces high-quality lasers and automated solutions. We are proud to be the national brand of China. We specialize in many aspects of manufacturing technology, including lasers,
general component,
laser for marking, welding, cutting, displays, semiconductor, photovoltaic solar energy, new energy, energy storage, special machines for PCB and other fields. Moving forward, Han's Laser is expanding its sales and support footprint across the globe, with offices in the United States, Germany, Japan, and other regions. A professional network of sales and service teams have been formed. We strive for world-class industry-leading technology, supported by research and development teams who consistently offer breakthrough solutions in laser technology. Han's Laser drives the transformation of China's intelligent high-speed manufacturing to produce the highest quality products. Han's Laser represents Chinese laser technology in a very competitive global market. With a forward-looking perspective and scientific approach, we participate in redefining the global laser industry standard. In the field of key processes for PCB production, Han's makes progress by substituting imported materials with domestic materials. This accelerates China's global presence in the manufacture of high-end PCBs. In the field of new energy equipment, Han's abides by the philosophy of lead development, deliver fast solutions, provide the best service, and pursue perfection. Han's specializes in new energy and storage solutions to provide the world with clean power. In the field of photovoltaics, Han's is committed to the research and development of manufacturing high-end photovoltaic equipment. We provide total solutions for the entire battery and module side. In the integrated circuit industry, Han's provides comprehensive manufacturing solutions. Han's is happy to contribute to China's core technology. Our intelligent manufacturing equipment is installed in countless corners of the globe. We have become a symbol of power and innovation, bringing unprecedented disruption and breakthroughs to the global manufacturing industry. Han's Laser brings technological innovation and leads the way for industrial manufacturing development. In today's digital revolution, Han's Laser pursues the goal to satisfy the demand for quality. With a focus on digital industry transformation, Han's Laser creates a new ecosystem in intelligent manufacturing. Explore the unknown, push the limits. Han's Laser creates a new chapter in intelligent technology. Along the way, we will inspire each other and work together. We are inspired day and night to achieve our goals. our mission and goals are not forgotten. Hans Laser is committed to corporate social responsibility of national enterprises. One award after another, evidence of hard work to result in the high value of our national brand. And this is just the beginning of 100 years of glory. This is a road of national dreams. This is a road of independent innovation. Equipment excellence, the pillar of a great power. A dream to shape a future.